Today is Saturday. It is February, what day is it? February 26th, Friday. And what day? What time? I got up at 6 o'clock today. That's me trying to sleep in. But anyway, so today I'm about to go out for a little bit. This vlog should be a little bit more fun. I'm about to go out. I'm about to go and try and find me a TV. Remember I told you guys I wanted to get me a new TV. I have one, but I need to get a smaller one to put on my wall because the space is small, so I have to look for a smaller TV. I'm also going to look at laptops, iPads. I got to get a new keyboard for my desktop, for my iMac. I'm also thinking if I want to do a little luxe shopping. I was thinking about I know I want the Tom Ford pumps. So there's the Tom Ford pumps, there's these Versace pumps, and then there are a pair of Gucci sneakers that I'm interested in. I know I want to get me a pair of shades, and I've been wanting these Chanel shades that I've been wanting. I might do that. So I don't know what I'm going to get, but I'm going to go out and get something nice for myself. I need to go grocery shopping. I need to, I also want to get a new plant. You see all this stuff that I want to get done today? I ain't going to get it all done, but we're going to see where the day takes me. We're going to see where my energy lands me at, where my journey takes me today. So whatever happens, happens. I ain't mad at it. I also ordered me a dresser to replace this old IKEA dresser that's falling apart that I've been having forever. I still need to find a desk chair. There's just so much stuff that I gotta get done. I know I'm not gonna get all this stuff done in a day, but I'm just laying out there what I want to do. I'm just putting it out there in the universe. So like I said, wherever my journey takes me today, that's what's gonna go. Right now I'm just up watching the news, watching what's going on with the war and stuff, which is so sad, and it really kind of sucks, but I'm not gonna get too much into that. So I'm gonna get myself together, you know, and still take a shower, fix this face a little bit, do my hair, and get my day started, get up out of here. I also need to get some freaking coffee because I need some energy. I need some energy, and I just want coffee just because I ain't had it in a while. So excuse my voice if it's a little raspy. I also need to upload my videos. Like they're like edited and everything. I just need to load it up. Your girl is slacking. Okay, so with that said and done, today is kind of a nice day outside today too as well. Thank God for that. Love that for me. So just get out, enjoy a Saturday, enjoy a little bit of, the sun, even though it's going to be only 66, but we're still going to enjoy it. And I was originally supposed to go to Anaheim this weekend to hang out and, have a little fun time, but I'm not going to do that because I'm planning a trip back to Seattle, Washington, for my sister's birthday gig that she has going on. So I'm not gonna be going to Anaheim, because I need to go ahead and buy my tickets for that and get all the things I need to do for all that stuff. You think I'm high maintenance? My sister's bougie. Bougie. I'm a little bougie too, but we just two different types of bougie girls. But like I said, that's what I have planned today. The next time you guys see me, I will be probably totally different because girl gonna look a little bit jazzed up, and we're gonna be out and about. We're gonna be out here in these streets of San Diego. Okay, so I will chat with you guys later. Bye. Okay, guys, this is what I'm wearing. Do not mind my counter; it's just messy. Jean jacket, and I got on this little shirt, jeans. Bam. So my dresser came yesterday and I am about to try and get it put up today. Today is a new week. Let me put those down, y'all don't need to be seeing it. But anyways, today is a new week. It's Monday the 7th. Yeah, so today's Monday the 7th, and I told you guys that I've been waiting for my dresser. So my dresser came. I can finally get rid of this ragamuffin. Ooh, I'm so excited. So I need to take my desktop and I need to move it over here. So I need to clean off this area over here so I can set up my desktop finally to have it at my desk, which is going to be good for me. Other than that, I still have to so move the desk. Other than that, then I got to take my TV. So the bigger TV I'm going to put in my storage, and I'm going to have this smaller TV, which is like 43 inches, which is a good size to hang on the wall over there. So that looks, don't mind all that mess, all that stuff's getting cleaned up. So that is the wall area. As you can see, it's not that big, so I couldn't really have like a big TV on there. So I'll be getting somebody to come and hang it up for me. But in the meantime, between time, it'll probably just be on my dresser until like all my home decor come, where I can like jazz up my dresser and make it all, you know, bougie woozy. Dresser that I gotta put together because I got like knobs and stuff and legs that I chose to put on a dresser to jazz it up. So when that gets put up, I will show you guys. And let me back up. I'm just backing up in the other bedroom. That's my house. So that's that. You guys hear that noise? That's my washer dryer. I am washing linens and stuff like that. Kitchen is a mess, and I want to try and get all this done within an hour. So I am okay, love. So I am just popping in so I can show you guys where I am in my room. So I got the whole area moved where my old desk was. I moved my computer where that needs to be. My other TV is actually in the living room, and I will be taking that down to the garage later on today. So let me kind of just show you guys the area. Let me flip you guys around. So as you can see, that whole area is now clean. Where that area is gonna be. What is this on my floor? Okay, so that is clean. So that whole area is clean. I moved my TV that was over here. Don't mind those Capri Suns. There's a lot of Capri Suns. Don't mind the Capri Suns. Okay, so like I was saying, the whole area over there is cleaned. I moved my dresser out and got that disposed of, so that's gone. And then over here, my TV's moved. I tried to actually clean this off, but I need to like paint that. So, and I did tell you guys I need to paint that, so I am going to ask my maintenance if they got some paint or have them come and do it. Because I don't know what color white this is. But yeah. So that's what that's like. My laptop, my desktop over here. And as you guys can see, this is my old keyboard. It broke. This is what happens when you let people use your shit. Damn thing broke. So they must dropped my keyboard. I don't know, but it's freaking broke. But I got the new one. Like last week, I got this one, and this one is actually with the ID Touch. So yeah, I'm going to be putting this one with that, and I also think I'm going to get the mouse too. So I'm probably going to get a mouse because I got the magic. What is this called? I forgot what this thing is called. But I got that, and then yeah, so I think I want the mouse too. So when I get my laptop, I already have like a mouse, whatever. So that is that, and I need to do a screensaver on this bad boy or whatever. And another thing that I also got, I meant to do this in my unboxing, but I already freaking unboxed it because I was planning on doing this today, is I got myself 2 different journals. So I got the 6-minute success journal, and then I went ahead and I got the 5-minute journal. So this one's pretty cool. This one helps you you know, plan your goals, be successful. Let me show you. It actually has some references to read or whatever, how to whatever. But this is pretty much what it looks like in the inside. So you'll have like your weekly overview notes, and then you'll have your habit tracker and all that jazz, and it actually shows you how to use this, how you're supposed to use this. So this is really nice. And then everybody knows about the 5-minute journal. I needed a 5-minute journal because, you know, I'd be like, what am I supposed to write in my journal? So maybe this will help me get started with knowing what to write. So as you can see, it just has this in there, and it's just like 5 minutes a day, so can't beat that. So my morning routine with 5 and 6 minute, I'll have my little morning affirmation, not morning affirmation, just my morning, what am I trying to say? Let me flip you guys back. So anyways, what I was trying to say is my mindful mornings is what I call it. So it's like my morning of just taking care of me, meaning, you know, journaling. And let me hold on a second, I have a phone call. Okay, you guys, so on my dresser I got these acrylic knobs. Let me get them. Well, I can't take it out. I don't feel like doing all that. So, but they look like this. I got the square ones. And so I got those ones right there, the square, the acrylic ones. And then I got some acrylic feet. And I got these to go on my dresser. And then I got some, let me turn you guys around. I got some gold contact paper that I'm going to place between ooh, I look crazy. Between the dressers. I look real crazy, you guys, because I've been all over my house cleaning and whatever. And I don't even have time to like study and work out today or film, which I'm kind of mad at. But so tomorrow I'm going to be super busy editing, filming, and studying and work. And, you know, work and whatever. So after that is all set, I will show you guys what it looks like after, when everything is like put into place. And I still gotta get the other wall shelving that I want, because I need to add my designer bags to that, because the old one that I got from what am I trying to say? The old one that I got from IKEA is not big enough for all my handbags. So I want my handbags to look like I'm walking into like a boutique. So I need to do that, because I also want to display my jewelry out, so it can be out and stuff like that, and good to reach, instead of just tossing them in my drawer, which I shouldn't be doing, because I'd be spending all this money on this fashion jewelry that I be buying. And I just need to take care of it. So don't mind me if I get brain fog, you guys. I'm just all over the place looking at everything and trying to figure out everything out. So with that said and done, I am going to try to set up my new keyboard so that's ready for tomorrow, so I can get some work done. And I need to find that freaking screensaver that you be seeing everybody with the timer. I need to figure out how to find that and put that on my computer. Or I don't know, I'll put my business logo or something like that on there. Yeah, so I think the last touches is I still got to find a chair, a desk chair, a vanity chair, that I want those two to match. And I did want like blush pink. So we will see if I still get blush pink, or I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the gray. And I did find one chair, but I don't feel like spending $300 and something on a chair until I get like a full office area. So that's not going to happen. So I'm thinking, you know, I don't want to spend no more than like $150 on my desk chair. Less would be great if it looks good, but I just want to keep it at $150 for my desk chair. And my vanity chair, hopefully $150 as well, because my old vanity chair, that thing was like $300 for that one. And it just, I didn't even take care of it. It looks ridiculous. But I'm sure I'll probably get it like cleaned and whatever. And most likely, if my cousin still wants it, I'll give it to her if she still wants it, because I know she had her little vanity stuff. So if not, then, but I will have to ship it to her. If not, I can get her one for, you know, housewarming gift, and just get rid of that one. So let's get to it, and let's get to my little DIY. Why do I always say DIY? My DIY project for this dresser. And I need to finish my green drink because I am juicing, and I'm actually going to take you guys along with me for my week of juicing. And I'm going to be doing a lemonade diet, so I will go in more in depth on that one and how you guys are supposed to correctly do that cleanse and detox diet with the lemonade. I
I feel like a lot of people don't do it the right way, and they just go into it, and a lot of people fail doing it because they don't go into it the right way or come out of it the right way as well. So I will chat with you loves later, and I will show you guys the final project when I am done. And that's that, my loves. All right, you guys, I am about to swap out my keyboards and yeah, just change them. So this one actually cost me how much? $150, $160 with tax. So like here's the receipt. You guys can kind of see $149, $160 with tax for the one with the eye touch, and then I think if you just want the original, this one I believe was like $129, I think it was. But yeah, let's swap this out. So I am all set for tomorrow, and my desk is still being built, and I will show you guys what that looks like when I get done. Okay, you guys, so it's looking like it wants me to pretty much update my, what did this say? Update my software to use the Magic Keyboard and its full range of features. Update your Mac to the latest versions of... So, let me go ahead and see. Everything should be updated. What are you doing? So hopefully I ain't gotta do like a whole thing since I had to unplug it and move it. Okay, here we go. What's new in photos? Let's close that down. So let's see, guys. Okay, so I need to go here. And what else do I need to do? And there, let's see. Where does it say software update? Privacy, software update. Here we go. Last check today. Your Mac is up to date. Okay. So my Mac is up to date. So set up your Magic Keyboard. So I have a new charger. I like this charger. So this is the charger that it came with, and I like it. It's like the rope ones. So what we are going to do, here is the new keyboard. Here's the charger. And let me plug this into my laptop, my computer. I got so much stuff on my thing, y'all. Okay. So I wonder, do I need to turn this one off? So pretty much it was pretty easy just to switch and pair it. All I had to do was just turn the old one off and turn the new one on using the cord that it came with, and it automatically paired itself. So what I'm going to do next is set up my or maybe I'll do it tomorrow. Your keyboard is connected. Yes, so we are connected. We are connected, you guys. And I'm not gonna set up the iTouch today. I'm not in the mood to do that today. I'll do it tomorrow in the morning. So I am just going to sit this right here. And I will show you guys the comparison of the two different keyboards, and I need to also order my keyboard protector, so you know, with dust and you don't want it to break again. So let's see, they are absolutely the same size, that's for sure. So let me flip it around and show you guys. So they are the same size. This is the old one. I mean, this is the new one that I'm showing you guys. So this is the new one, and this is the older one. And let me stand it up because I can see. And as you guys can see, they are pretty much the same in size. This one is more curved or whatever. So that's that.
Beyond their energy field and deploy the feed.
This is the update, you guys. Look at the mess. That on the sitting on my couch is the old dressers that I gotta take everything out of. We're almost there. I put the new knobs in that I got. These are nice. These are can you guys see them? So these are actually glass knobs that I changed out because the original ones were super ugly. So just letting you guys know the status. I am about to head out. My favorite person is here, my girl Kay. So I'm about to go see her, and we're about to hang out for a little bit and go with the flow.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Get those picture shots.
So hey my loves, I'm out and about with my beautiful bestie Kay.
Hi! My finger's all in the way.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
My finger's in the way. Ow.
Sorry, I just
My
made her move.
bestie, she's here. I love
I'm here.
her.
I'm back. Thank you. I love you too.
So we're about to go, and we're doing a little bit of shopping for her nice, beautiful place.
Yes, Felicia's going to help me pick the nicest stuff because she has the best taste ever. So she's going to help me pick nice furniture and decorations and different stuff. So I love her taste. We're basically the same taste.
Yes.
Okay. Remember last time I was picking up like 5 hours. Unless it's very expensive, I don't think. $19 only. Yeah.
Here comes this.
Probably should have needed a bigger basket, but I was just trying to kind of restrain myself.
Yeah, that's what I do too. I'll get a small one. I like this. Look at the black.
Oh, you see, I don't even like. Oh, I like the pink one. It's gonna
Pink
match.
is cute. But see, you can do pink. If I was to bring pink into the house.
Oh my god. If I was to bring pink to the house. Oh, nice. 16. Of course, you're
Not
coming.
bad.
Oh, you're coming with me too.
Nice.
See, I'm very like excited.
See the wizard.
Wizard?
The wizard, the wonder of Oz, or however you say that. So we are going where for breakfast?
Snooze AM Eatery in Hillcrest.
In Hillcrest, and it's going to be wonderful. So this is my first time going there, and what am I trying to say? See, I never know what to say.
Yeah, and we're going to show you what we're gonna eat.
Yes, so we're going to take you guys along with us for
This
breakfast.
is like one of the best places to get breakfast in Southern California. It's actually a chain. They have them all over. And we're not affiliated with them. We just like their breakfast. They have amazing pancake flights. Like pancakes and great egg benedict.
Yummy! I can't
Yummy.
wait. I cannot wait.
There you go. I help you.
Yeah, you did. I got you. Get it? Wait.
There's stairs there, and I don't see the need for stairs.
So we're gonna hear, this is like 24-hour fitness. There's a cinema over there, a sushi spot.
I'm lazy and I don't want to go on the stairs. So we're just gonna move around. The best for fitness vlog.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. We're taking a short little mini walk.
Yeah.
She's done enough exercise. Yeah.
We're going to eat junk. There's this market. Remember we went to the market?
Oh yeah, we did. No, not that one. We went to Northgate Market. Yeah.
Don't record.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is the little spot, Snooze. As you guys can see, outdoor eating. Good lemonade and awesome stomach food poison.
The lemonade is so like nice, right? Just
That's the little
Guys, you have 2 tacos. We get like 2 pancakes with
barbacoa.
and then can we have the tacos?
Yeah.
Like the can we add shrimp?
Add shrimp.
And oh my god, French toast.
Barbacoa, Benny, OMG, tacos with shrimp.
Yes, and the French toast, right?
OMG?
OMG French toast, yeah. And you can bring whatever's first. Okay. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Okay, so we just ordered lots of food. So we got the oh my god French toast. We got
we're sharing everything.
Very good. That's the best.
So should we ask for another plate? That's a plate.
Can we get 2 plates?
We're gonna go over to this. Shrimp breakfast tacos, and then the French toast.
Oh my god, French toast.
It's gonna be so yummy. And then the eggs Benedict, you guys. Look how good that is. It is yum yum time, you guys. I am about to grub and eat like a champ.
Yes.
We're about to eat like a champ.
Eat like a champ.
Yes. So you guys can watch us eat. You guys can eat with us.
Okay. Bon appetit.
Bridget's chilling in the back.
So this is Kumar over here. And there's little Bridget in the back. So Felicia is
She's also vlogging.
Thank you so
We're
much.
both vlogging.
So,
This is
okay. Thank you so much. Come over. Bye.
alright. Hey, my loves, I am home. Back home from my time out with my beautiful friend Kay. It was lovely seeing her. I miss her already, and I can't wait to visit her after I come back from my trip this week. Actually, this week I leave Friday, be gone for a week, and come back. Then I'm going to plan a trip so I can go ahead and visit her and check out her beautiful place where she lived and moved to. So she moved to LA, and we both used, I still do, but she used to live down here in the same apartment, but she moved to LA, so I can't wait to see her and check out LA because I have never been to LA before. Whew. But I am tired and full, and I ate so good. Bad. but I ate good. And now I gotta do extra work and work out. So I am about to just chill, sit down for a little bit. I need to check in with my sis. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some phone calls, check in with her. What else do I need to do? It is 12 right now. So yeah, I'm call my sissy, make a few phone calls. I gotta do a little bit of work. And I also need to, I'll probably end up doing like a chapter for school or whatever. So get that out the way. So that's what I'm about to do, you guys. I also need to put some of my new energy drinks up in the refrigerator so they can be cold. But I still got 3 in there, so maybe I'll drink those 3 and then add that one. And after I get done with that, I need to tidy up, and I still have folded laundry that I need to figure out where to put in my room, but I can't because my closet is like crazy because there's not enough space, and I told you guys I was going to redo my closet, so, and I can't do that until I get back. So I think stuff's just probably gonna be everywhere for now until I get back from this trip before I can start on my closet. So yeah, I just have so much stuff, so I have nowhere to put it. Too many clothes, stuff is not organized how I want it in my closet. So that's a whole nother story. We will tackle that after the trip and do my closet, and I will take you guys along with me because there's stuff I need to get, like new hangers. There's like this little dresser that I'm going to put in the closet that's, you know, you put in your closet for extra storage. Everything just needs to be redone. I need to go through my clothes, take out the crap that I do not wear anymore and give that away because I am really not into fast fashion type clothing like I used to be. I'm more into staple pieces, quality over quantity. So I need to take out all that cheap crap that I used to get and, you know, make the room for my more expensive clothing. And I still need to go to my storage because I got boxes of shoes down there, boxes of clothes down there. Most of the clothes in my storage is like clothes for Washington weather, not for really California weather. So there's just a lot of stuff I need to do. So I am going to stop here and get back with you guys after I do this other morning stuff that I got to get done. So I will check in with you guys later. Y'alls, I am back and I think I'm about to take a nap and lay down and take a quick nap because I am tired after eating that food. What do I want to show us? Oh, let me put this away. So if you get sorry guys, I'm like making my little fold nice and neat. I'll show you guys. So this is my little sweater that I folded. I am very OCD and everything has to be folded perfectly. So this is my sweater. All my joggers down here, and that's not enough room, but they're just here until, like I told you guys, when I get back and do my freaking what am I trying to say? Jesus. Ugh. When I do my, put this away, this on my vanity. My vanity is a hot mess. You guys see this? Look at my vanity. Look at all this mess on my vanity. So I'm gonna sit this right here because I'm gonna end up packing that. I also got a package downstairs I have a package that's downstairs that's part of my for my makeup, but I wanted the pack because I want everything to be nice and neat. So I also got these in today, but this is not open. These are those little wraps, styling wraps, and I got those for when I want to give myself a ponytail. If you know, you know. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. So let me set this in here. Put that away. At least get some of that stuff. I also need to clean my brushes too before I go, so I don't have any like dirty brushes. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that and get that all squared away. This is more joggers. Oh, I'm just gonna sit it and keep it right here for now. So this is cool. This is a nice little sleek hand sanitizer. Super cute. Yeah. Whew. Okay, what else? I'm just showing you guys all my, let me turn y'all around. Oh, actually I got my backpack, my Dior backpack. I already used it, so there is no unboxing because your girl already unboxed it because I used it. So should I turn you guys around when I do this, or should I just show you guys? I guess I'll turn it around and show you guys. So here she is in her glory. All the detail. The handle says Christian Dior. Then you turn it around and it says it also down the strap. So, and it's spacious inside too, so you can get it open. So it's spacious in the inside, like there's room. I was able to fit like laptop. I had me a little snack in there, some other stuff I had in there. It was spacious, so I thought it was gonna be smaller, but it's not. So I got my backpack, and then I have my matching book bag. So we have the glory, and I can so tell that my this one is dirty, the canvas, because the, what color is this, the cream color, I don't know. This one's a little, you know, because she been through some things. But yeah, so she's just over there with my other boxes, designer stuff that I need to put away. But yeah, I just got it sitting on the side of my bed until I get my wall shelf unit, and then I can actually hang up and display my luxury items. Yeah, so that was that, you guys. It wasn't like a super cute unboxing video like I wanted to do, but I also don't have the time to film that since I am trying to get ready and go on this trip, so I don't have time to do that. I need to make a day to go on my patio. I need to tear up all the dead plants that I got out there, get those spider webs knocked down. I don't know, I might have to get somebody to do that because I don't do bugs. I don't do spider webs, I don't do bugs. Don't ask me how I be gardening, but your girl do. What I need to do is change the water out on my cutlings to my pothos plant, and she needs to be repotted. So here are my cutlings that I had cut, and somebody is at my door. So that was an Amazon order.
What is this? I'll open it later. I don't feel like doing it right now. But like I told you guys, my cutlings from my pothos plant, I just want to give it some fresh, clean water and rinse off the roots. So we are going to go ahead and do that for her. So, you guys see that? You guys see all those roots in there? Yeah, so we're gonna take it out. Because I can't take care of this. I'll take care of this when I get, take care of it when I get back. So all I'm gonna do is just rinse her off. This does not hurt the plant. This does not disturb the roots. And it does not hurt the plant at all. So I didn't wait too long. They didn't bind it up together. So when I plant it, it's gonna be all wrapped up. But I'm sure I can just unwind them. Not a big deal, but she got some good roots on her. Okay, so she's nice and rinsed. So let's go and take her back to the window. So I'm gonna go back to the window with the rest of the fam. The fam bam.
We're HRC Fertility, and we're here to help. Reach out today and let us help you on your fertility journey.
So you guys, here are my babies. So this is the one, this is where I made the cutlings from this one. You guys wouldn't even imagine how I had this plant done. This is my aloe vera. She is killing it and doing her thing. And then we have my rubber plant over here. And she is just growing like crazy. So that is them. I wasn't even fucking recording. Freaking recording. So like I said, I'm about to go and look through this and see what they got going on in there. I know there's some things I need to order from Crate and Barrel, West Am, Amazon, I think Wayfair. What else? I think those are the other stores that I need to order some stuff from, as since I'm still like redoing stuff, not remodeling, not like, I don't know, just revamping, because I'm bored of what I'm looking at. So let's see what's in this Amazon package. I think these are the little jewelry that I bought, that I had to get for my little outfit. Yep, that's what it is. So there are these little earrings. We'll see if I end up wearing them, or I end up just getting something from Neiman Marcus or Macy's. But I just got these because I didn't have enough time. So if you guys can see these little earrings, so they go with my shoes that you guys saw. So these go with my shoes.
and I can't remember how much they were. But it also came with a little baggie, so we're just gonna put that little baggie in here. Throw this away so it's not on my desk. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and throw this away. I'm trying to think if I want to go downstairs and grab that other package or not. I kind of do. So I might do that and then go ahead and come up and take a nap. Because I ain't going to want to do shit later. Oh, these are the other little bags that I got. So I got this little bag right here. Cute, cute. And then I had to get something gold, but this is not gold like my shoes. This little bag, it's not gold. So the back order is killing your girl, messing up my outfit. Messing up my outfit, like for real, messing up my outfit. But it's good. I'm not gonna stress too much about it. So honestly, you guys, I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. If I jump back on, it's because I'm gonna show you guys the little stuff I got for traveling. If not, I will see you guys on the next vlog.